Pause for a moment and let yourself be still. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take one slow breath in and one long breath out. Now, simply observe. Notice what's present in your body. Any sensations, any tension. Notice what's present in your mind. Thoughts, emotions, or perhaps a sense of quiet. There's no need to change anything. Just keep breathing deeply and observe with kindness. Take another deep inhale and an easy exhale. And gently open your eyes, carrying a touch more awareness and calm into your day.